Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a super colorful manicure and super simple to do. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So I have short nails now, so it's gonna be quick and simple. I've applied my base coat to protect my natural nails, and then I'm gonna be using this holographic shimmery pink base, and I'm gonna apply liquid latex around it because I'm gonna be stamping, so I wanna minimize the cleanup. You will find the products below in my description. This is like a checkered type of pattern, and it's a very long pattern, so I'm just gonna use one step in 2 nails. If you want to do that, you have to work very quickly so the polish doesn't dry. And I've applied this other pattern on top of that. This plate is not supposed to be a layered plate, but I just found that it worked. It was super fun to combine these 2 colors and these 2 patterns. So then I'm gonna apply my smudge free top coat as always, and my regular glossy top coat for the final look. I really like them. They're very colorful, they're very festive, and I think they look great in short nails. So if you have short nails and this gives you inspiration, please leave me a comment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.